Hey y'all, it's Phyllis here. My website is southernfrugal.com. It's Thursday morning, it's 10 o'clock, and I'm ready to go pick up my groceries at Walmart. And they have not called me yet, so I'm thinking they'll probably call me on the way. So my pickup is between 10 and 11. So I am so excited. I kept waking up last night. I woke up early this morning because this is just miraculous to be able to go just pick up your groceries. They're already bagged and all you have to do is just go pick them up. I'm so excited. All right, y'all, we will see you there. And I'm just, even if they make a mistake, I'm still excited, okay? All right, we will see y'all there. All right, we are in the Walmart parking lot. They still haven't called me yet. It's, let's see, it's 10:30. So I have a couple of exchanges to make from some pants that I bought. And so I'm going to go ahead in and do my exchanges. And I've got my phone on, so we'll be waiting for them to call me. All right, we'll see y'all hopefully in just a little while. All right, I am in the parking place for reserved 1. There's no one else here. This is the first day of the pickup, and I'm getting ready to call that number because they haven't called me. I don't. Maybe I'm mistaken. I thought they were supposed to call me, but anyway, it is. Let's see. It's about 12 minutes till 11. So I did see a girl out here with a different kind of outfit on that said Walmart, and she did go in that door over there. So anyway, am I the first one to pick up groceries here at Walmart on the first day they're beginning this? I don't know. All right, y'all, I'm gonna make the call. We'll be back. All right, those 3 ladies came out to the car before I even could call them. So they're going in to get my groceries. All right, I'm so excited. All right, y'all, we'll see you. They said I could videotape this too. All right, we'll be back. All right, they said they'd be right back out with my groceries. I am so excited, I cannot even tell you. Yeah, I got my little list, so I'm gonna check it once it gets in the car. I just wonder how many others they've had because it's just completely empty here. They've got 6 spaces, and I'm in number 1 space. So, all right, there were 3 of them. Anyway, I videotaped that. They said I could videotape, so I'm so excited I can hardly stand it. I mean, imagine I'm gonna have my groceries put in the car for me, and I'm not even tired. I mean, it's just fantastic. All right, we'll be back when they get out here with everything. All right, here are 3 young ladies with all my groceries. I am so excited, I can hardly stand it.
Good morning, how you feeling?
Yeah.
My name is Veronica. I will be
How about that? What else? What else was
all
on there?
right, so what he's telling me is they've got a substitution here of the
and that one as well.
It was pickle relish.
of the pickle relish. They actually gave me
Instead of 12 ounce.
he is telling me that I don't have permission to record him, so he won't get in trouble. I'm telling you, I'm doing it anyway. All right, there it is.
Okay.
All right, what else did I have?
The pineapple. Yeah,
All right.
She ordered.
I got the tidbits. Now, I've done a video on the tidbits, and I always tell everybody, do the chunks is much better because last time I couldn't find the chunks even at another store. Let me get you 2 ladies. Y'all are so pretty.
Yeah.
Look at y'all. All
She
right.
ordered the 85% lean fat resuscitate for 1 pound 80 organic ground beef.
Okay, that's
So
good.
same thing, we just gave you the 80-20 instead of the 80-15 because we didn't have the 80.
That's good. Yeah, I like that. Don't y'all?
And they'll always show it to you to make sure you accept it.
All right,
Make sure
that's
you're good
great.
with it.
All right, you know what I want to see? I want to see those onions, the
Sure.
green top onions.
Sure.
Now, y'all won't be doing this every single time I order, right?
Yes, yes. They
You-
go over everything with you.
Is that right?
Yes, they go over everything with you.
Show you
If you don't like them, we'll go get you more. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I like them.
Mm-hmm.
All right, what about the mushrooms? That's better.
Right here.
Oh, and they're beautiful. Oh, y'all have done so good. What else? Oh, the salad. I want to see
Salad
the
mix,
date.
we'll show you.
What's the date? The
May 19th.
19th, and this date is the 9th?
It's a 10th. So it's got 9 days on it.
9 days. Y'all
Yes.
are doing so
We always
good.
guarantee a week on that.
Oh, wow,
Same
you
thing.
do?
Yes.
I did not know
They
that.
won't bring it out if it doesn't have at least that on it. And
All
then
right.
you got July 24th, so
Yeah.
long dates
All
on
right.
that.
Very. Oh, I'm so impressed.
Yes.
I am so impressed.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah,
I'm
see
going
you.
to close this out now because we're getting ready to load it in the car. I got
You're
so
okay
many.
with everything? You signed for the order?
I am super okay. All right, y'all.
we love it.
We'll see y'all at home. Bye. Go.
Ready?
All right. Yeah.
All right, so this is a token of being one of our first 10 customers using the service. We have
wow.
a welcome back to welcome you to Orangeburg Store 616 and a thank you for using our online grocery service.
Well, I am so impressed. Thank y'all very much.
Absolutely.
All right. All right, y'all. I am still here. They've already loaded everything. Of course, I did all the videos, and Mike was the one that explained all of this. I'm going to have a code, and I'm going to put it in the description below. And if y'all use this service, then you use my code when you order, then I get $10 off. So, but it's a limit of 200. But y'all be sure and use my code, okay? I might get me some free groceries out of this. But anyway, I am so impressed. I was the 3rd customer this morning. They've already done 2. And that one guy, he told me that he had not gone inside a Walmart in 8 months. I think he's from the Columbia area, but this manager works all the Columbia area, and they're getting ready to, they're opening up the pickup service in Aiken, South Carolina, and they're getting ready to do Leesville. So they're going to do a lot, and just think, you could pick up, I mean, I could call from the RV and pick up my groceries whenever. So anyway, y'all, all right, we will see y'all at home, and I have already looked at everything, and it is perfect, absolutely perfect. All right, y'all, we'll see you at home. All right, y'all, we are home now. You see all this stuff on the ground that's coming from these trees? That's the pollen or seeds or something. It looks like sawdust, but it's actually off those trees. We get this every year, every year. Anyway, we're ready to load this stuff in the cart. So I'll come back when I show you how I get it up the steps. We'll be back. All right, I don't know if I'll be able to show y'all how I do this because I need both hands and I can't hold the camera at the same time, but let's see if I can. The big wheels come right up the steps, like that. And then this last step's a little harder because it's out a little further. There it is. All right, y'all. All right. We got dogs inside, so I'm not going to record that. Actually, I think I hear them outside, but anyway, we'll see you in the kitchen. All right, we got the groceries inside, and we got a bunch of dogs running around here. So anyway, we will talk after I get all this put up. Now, I want to make a note for y'all to listen to on this one. All right, my freezer stuff is not even sweating. The almond milk's not sweating. And the meat is just as cold as if I just put it in my cart if I was in the grocery store. Well, y'all think of that. All right, y'all, I'm going to put this away and then we'll talk about it. All right, y'all, I wanted to show you some of this. This is when they have a substitute for something, they put a little sticker. I've already torn it partly in two. And one of the substitutes was on this organic grass-fed beef. I wanted the 85-15, and they said they didn't have it, and they substituted the 80-20, which is great because this works better on the grill anyway with more fat in it. And I got the humongous can of pork and beans. I make baked beans out of these. And of course, they found the apricot nectar. And let's see what else. Oh, and the other substitute was they didn't have the pineapple chunks, so they did the pineapple tidbits. Now, these work just as well in that little cheesy, they call it actually a pineapple cheese casserole. But anyway, this was fine. This is the way I end up using this anyway because I can't ever find the chunks either. All right, so everything is in order here. Now the bananas look really good. Because so many times when I go, the organic bananas are out of stock. So Got me 2 big bunches, actually 3. I will be freezing these and keeping one little bunch out. And they got my miniature marshmallows and my bread. And look at this. It's good for 3 days. Is this the 9th? I'm looking at the calendar. Yeah. No, this is the 10th. I don't know. Let's see. I'm trying to see. Yeah, this is the 10th. So this is the Walmart bread that doesn't have the preservatives in it. And I freeze this anyway because it's easier to slice into sandwich sizes. I got a project going over here, y'all, but that's why that sewing machine's still sitting there. Anyway, I got my limes. I don't see one thing I didn't get. And got some freebies over here. Hold on, let me show you those. All right, y'all saw the roses in the car, or they were giving them to me outside. I can't remember. I was so excited. So these are real and they're free. And I don't know what these are. Silly scent markers. I've never seen those before, but I sure do use sticky notes all the time. So I got 3 packs of those and a bottle of water. And of course I got the bag, and there's another little bag. I think I put that down somewhere over there. Anyway, all right, we'll talk in a minute. All right, we have such innocence going on here. They were just in the kitchen jumping all over me and jumping all over the bags, and you name it, they were jumping on it. All right, I found a little bag, and this is free stuff too. Men's Care shampoo, Dove Men's Care dry spray. I guess that's deodorant. Oh my goodness. Razors. Goodness. Oh, here's something else. Body and face wash. My goodness. So all this was free. Yeah. And of course, the beautiful roses. All right, y'all. I will talk to you in a minute. All right, y'all. We were going to have to wait till another time to talk about this, but I can tell you I am delighted with everything. The freezer stuff didn't even have any frost on it. It was solidly frozen. The almond milk didn't have any sweat on the outside of it. And everything had a better date than I usually get in the store. Everything. So I couldn't be happier with the way things have gone today. So we will see y'all another time, and we'll talk about all this, and I'll give you some more opinions I've got, but so far I'm just totally delighted. And of course I did find that extra bag with all the free stuff in that I didn't even know I had. So anyway, so they told me that my hair, I know, I'm so excited that I got tired from being excited, okay? One of the things that I'm going to leave a link down below if I can find it, or a code, and then you get $10 off your groceries if you use that code, and they will do it for up to 20 people. So I told them, you know, I've got a YouTube channel, okay, and I'm going to post this video, so they said they would do up to 20 people. So I'm going to put that code, of course I've got to find it first because they sent it to me in an email. I'll put that code down below, and if you want to use that when you go to do a grocery pickup, they're going to give you $10 off, and they'll give me $10 on my next purchase. So that's, if I get 20, that's $200. That'll pay for my website, y'all. Anyway, so I'm going to go now, and I'm going to have to do another video and talk and tell y'all all about what I learned, because I was not recording the whole time I was talking with the manager. He did tell me, and I'll tell y'all this, in Leesville, South Carolina, and in Aiken, they're opening up like in a day or two, from what I understand. And by the way, they do have freezers and refrigerated sections in the pickup section, and that's where your food goes. Nothing sits out. They literally bring it out to you just in minutes from the time they take it out of the freezer and the refrigerated section. So no problem there. And ever there's anything where there's a problem with it, all you have to do is bring it back and they'll exchange it probably for something even better than what you got originally. So anyway, we'll have to talk again, y'all. I'm super excited still about all this. Bye for now.